You got a minute? I'll teach you prompt engineering. First up, you're going to want local AI on your computer. It's more environmentally friendly and also open source and not monitored by Palantir. You can run models made by countries that have healthcare and stuff. You can run models on this, the 16 gigabyte Orange Pi. You want the 16 gig? It costs 140 bucks. If you're gonna use Amazon, I have one of these, I guess. They showed me this when I screenshotted it. I don't know. It will run a 7 billion parameter language model and maybe a 14 billion parameter language model quantized down to 4 bits. It's this one with the 4 bits. And you could talk to it like this, and it runs locally. You can set a system prompt over here. Tell it not to apologize or be sycophantic. Tell it to cite its sources. If you click over here under Program, you can add tools to it. You can let it use the terminal, or you can let it look things up. I recommend you take a class on critical thinking, but we discuss it in my class because it is critical to working with AI that you know how to ask for actionable and specific things. It is so important that it is day 1 of the class. There are a lot of rhetorical frameworks. You can get a PhD in this. We will cover some. Once you get a workflow going, something that works for you, you can save it, and you can also make that thing available to other people. Use stuff like LangGraph or the OpenAI Agents SDK. There are like 50 zillion of them. The guy who wrote 12-factor agents says they're bad, and I agree with him because you don't own how it works. You should use context engineering to build your own, which is the prompt, but also like the history of what you've been talking about, what it remembers, like its ability to look things up, and tool calls to external things. Okay, that's what we cover. If you're super enterprising, you can follow along with that video and teach yourself all that stuff. If you're even slightly too tired for that, you could come to my class. Use it to teach people how to steal F-16s, I guess. Alright, see ya.